MICROMAX Canvas 6, and let me show you how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, and let's choose here power off and tap OK to confirm the operation. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off, and now you need to use the following combination of keys. So let's use together power key and the volume down. So let's keep holding both two keys, power key and volume down. Release both keys as soon as boot mode pops up, and here you can navigate by using volume down and confirm options by pressing volume up. So let's choose here recovery, press volume up to confirm it, and let's wait a few seconds until the device boots into the no command picture. Excellent. So now all you need to do is simply press together power key and volume up. So let's start with power key, and while holding power, press volume up once. And that's it. This is the Android system recovery. Here you can read a couple of information about your device, and you can here also enable a few interesting options. So first of all, you can navigate here by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key, and here you can apply update from ADB, you can apply update from SD card, you can also update from cache. You may accomplish hard reset by choosing wipe data factory reset, you can wipe cache partition, backup user data, restore user data, check root integrity, reboot to bootloader, power down the device, or view recovery logs. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose power down, or you can also choose the first option, which is reboot system now. In my case, let me choose reboot system now. So let's highlight this option and press power key to confirm it. The device is simply restarting and booting into a normal mode, so you have to wait a few seconds until you will be able to use your device. Excellent, the home screen pops up, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.